How to email a folder in Gmail. If you need to send a big folder full of files to someone and can't send them a link to your cloud storage, what can you do? You can send a folder by regular email on your Gmail account. In this video, we will see how we can email a folder in Gmail for Android, iPad, and iPhone, and also on your PC. Let's get started. How to email a folder in Gmail for Android. To email a folder in the Android Gmail app, you first need an app to create the archive. There are lots to choose from in the Google Play Store, but I will use WinZip. To install it, go to the Play Store. Write on the search WinZip. Tap on Install and wait until the app is installed on your device. You can use any other app for the creation of the zip file. After the installation is done, open the app. Now allow access to manage files for WinZip. Use the file manager to where you have the folder saved. I have it on internal storage. Download. Tap on the three dots menu from the right of the folder. On this menu, tap the option Zip to Here. You can give the archive a name or simply leave it like it is from the start. Tap on OK. The software will create an archive. Now tap on the three dots menu from the right of the new file created. Tap on Send Mail. Select Gmail or your email app used by you. Write the info for the receiver and send the email. Now you have sent a folder with the Gmail app on Android. How to email a folder in Gmail for desktop. Now let's talk about the fastest and easy way to zip and email a folder in Gmail on the desktop. First, zip your folder using your preferred zipping program. It may be WinZip again or WinRAR, whatever you want to use. You can also use the Windows 10 or 11 compress software to do this. Just right-click the folder and select Compress to Zip File. Also, you can enter on your browser and search for WinZip or WinRAR and install the software on your PC. Let's say you have done the archive. After we have made an archive, open your browser. On the address bar, write mail.google.com. Click on Compose button. On the To Input, write the receiver's email address. On the subject, write whatever you think will describe best your subject. Click on the Attach File icon. Go where you have the file you have generated with the archive software. Select it and click Open. You might get a warning like this. Click I got it. Wait until the archive is uploaded. After this, just click on Send. Now click again on Send. You have now sent a folder with Gmail on PC. How to email a folder in Gmail for iPhone or iPad. You can email a folder also in Gmail for iPhone or iPad. Let's open the App Store to install the app that will help us archive the folder. Write zip and search. I will use this app. Tap Install. Tap Open. Now tap on Files or Photos. I will zip some photos. Select the photos and then tap on Zip. Now click on the checkmark from the file you wish to send. Tap on Share. Select your email app and then just write all the info to send the file. Click Send. You have sent a folder on Gmail app for iPhone. This is how you email a folder on Gmail. If you stayed until the end, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Also, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more tech videos. Have a great day.